there, friends! Today, we're going to talk about 5 exercises for a healthy life. These simple activities can help improve your physical and mental well-being. First up, let's all take a deep breath right now. A deep inhale and exhale can help reduce stress and anxiety, while increasing oxygen flow throughout the body. You'd be surprised at how just one deep breath can make you feel more relaxed. Next, I challenge you to smile right now. Smiling has been scientifically proven to boost mood, reduce stress, and even increase life expectancy. So go ahead and flash that beautiful grin. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the people around us. Whether it's your family, friends, or even strangers around you, take a mental note to acknowledge them and be grateful for their presence in your life. This simple act of gratitude can truly shift your perspective on life for the better. We all know exercise is essential for maintaining good health. But how many of us actually do it every day? By incorporating daily exercise into our routines, we can achieve better fitness levels while also improving our overall health and reducing the risk of numerous diseases. So let's all commit to moving our bodies every single day. Lastly, but perhaps most importantly, make it a point to share this video with 3 people who you think could benefit from these tips, or who might appreciate the motivation behind them. By spreading positivity and support among our communities, we can create a ripple effect of goodness that uplifts everyone involved. So there you have it, folks, 5 exercises for a healthier life. Try incorporating these simple habits into your daily routine and see the benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more inspiring content like this.